Hey guys, once again I'm drinking my Amare Happy Juice and I just feel so full of energy and determination and motivation, and I just want to get things done. This stuff is amazing and it gives me an incredible amount of energy. When I say that, once again, I'm not talking about being like the Energizer Bunny. No. It gives me just the right amount of energy to get everything done that I need to do within a day, and it makes it so that I'm not tired at all throughout the day. Me, on a normal basis, when I don't drink this stuff, I am tired all the time. And as you can see, I've gone back to my normal everyday eyeliner look for today. If you have anything going on with your serotonin or dopamine, I highly recommend this stuff. It is absolutely amazing. And as I did mention before, I'm also trying another Amare product called Ignite. If you want to look into that, you definitely can, but I'm not going to discuss that on here.